like website creation
Yes.
and digital marketing.
Yes. They are like, you can consider them as an extension of your arms. They will not give you any input.
It'll take even more longer time for me to research and understand and self-implement.
So when you're making these social media posts,
Because I'm not active on social media,
Okay,
and
okay.
like my page is not active, and I'm
Okay.
not promoting anything, no Insta stories or Facebook stories,
Okay.
because
you have this problem, these are the solutions that are available.
right.
You understand the
Yes,
difference?
yes.
How did you do your social media posts? You're willing to watch my videos.
Right.
I'm not making them watch you.
Right.
So that is how your the content
Right.
which you post online should be.
Right.
The sole purpose you're posting a post is to be beneficial for the customer.
Customer. Sure. So last thing I wanted to check with you is like, do you provide service like for my, say I'm asking for my business, like website creation
Yes.
and digital marketing,
Yes.
and mainly like more than anything I'm looking more like on a mentorship level, that if it's possible kind, because like see, transactions can happen, you pay anybody, somebody will give the thing and done and dusted. So it's more like a one on these aspects, the website creation and digital marketing and increasing the leads and customers, so that the product sells.
Yes.
The end goal is to sell your product. Whatever you're doing, all these things about digital marketing, website, blah blah, end thing goal is to sell products.
Correct.
That along with it, I know entrepreneurial journey requires mentoring for sure, and I'm like more looking like, is it possible for you to do a mentorship and like I don't know what is the time commitment, like
Okay.
is it like for 6 months, 1 year or 2 year, or up till you achieve your this goal, I don't know. I'm just
Okay.
asking like a very childish
Yeah,
question or anything.
let's see how it goes.
Yeah, sure.
One, I would say, see, we have all the services from designing a box to getting it printed to the end running ads and everything. So, but the services we offer are like, they don't give you any input. So
Sure.
they are like, you can consider them as an extension of your arms. They will not give you any input. You can say how you want it designed and they will do it for you. So how this our setup works best is, if you have the purpose clearly set in mind, everything will just blaze through. It'll be very fast. If you do not have that, it'll take time in each step. So that is how our services are designed, and that is how it will work. So if you have your message and you wanted to reach about 1,000 people, we can do it. Wanted to reach for 100,000 people, we can do it. You wanted to get it on video and you don't have the resources, we'll do it. But there are no people who can write scripts for you, who can design things for you, who can think for you. So that is the limitation of our
Thinking part, because I'm like I want to represent
Correct,
the brand
correct,
itself. That anyways, that is the whole thing about you
Yes,
taking so
yes.
much time. And so the thinking part, yes, I'm like I will request or demand, say that no, I want it this way. But rest of it, if it can, because I'm not equipped for it, like
Correct.
digital marketing, and it'll take even more longer time for me to research and understand and self-implement. And along with the job, it's definitely like
Correct.
too much to think that it will work immediately.
Correct,
And all those
correct,
things.
correct.
So it's like too long journey. By then market would have evolved, things would have changed, and this is like outdated thing what I'm doing. So definitely about thinking part, because I know what I want to achieve end of the day. That part, content writing, I don't know if that includes like website product description.
all that
That is
that,
part of
we
it.
can do.
Okay, sure, fair enough. Fair enough. So since I'm here, I thought I'll before I leave to my hometown, can get started, because again hometown is like, it's like I said, it's not a much of a thing. Everything I have to go back to Bangalore. Like it's like 2.5 hours of drive to Bangalore. So here the the reachability of things are much quicker. Still I'm in Karur. So I might have to go there for 2 months or something. Probably I can come back here anytime. That's not an issue. But at least like if I can set it up everything after discussion.
What I would suggest is, the best part is, how many soaps are you selling as of now?
I would say it's just only through word of mouth and people asking.
Okay.
Not like
About if you
online.
could put a number to it.
I would say nil.
No.
Because I'm not active on social media
Okay,
and
okay.
like my page is not active and I'm
Okay.
not promoting anything. No Insta stories or Facebook stories.
Okay.
Because the person who was helping as a content writer, even he didn't know, like he can write like really good content
Okay,
and like he
okay.
can replicate what my thoughts are about the brand and
Okay.
like he could echo what my thoughts are into the writing.
Mm-hmm.
But he also doesn't have this background, so we hit a saturation point, like we are just posting things and it's
I'll
like
show you a difference bit for that.
huh.
Phone kuda. See,
And-
there is one way.
Mhm.
I'll give you an example for our situation
Sure,
right
sure.
now. Here, end of the day, you ended up buying our services.
Right,
Correct.
right.
If someone says, "I'm offering you website, please come and do website with me,"
Hmm.
you will be a little reluctant to take from them.
Right.
Our messages would be, I would help you set a new business, come and talk to us.
Hmm. Correct.
Correct.
Yes.
So when you're making these social media posts, it should be the way we are doing it for you. You have this problem, these are the solutions that are available.
Right.
We just happen to have products also to
Right.
try them out.
Okay.
It shouldn't be like we have goat milk soap which is 50 rupees. I'm giving it to you for 30. Try it.
Right.
Okay?
Right.
You understand the
Yes,
difference?
yes, yes.
How did you do your social media posts? How was it?
So it was just about like later when I read it was always jab jab right hook. That's what they say in the
Okay,
marketing.
okay.
So it was always a right hook.
Okay.
It was always a right hook.
Okay, I understood.
So like didn't have any experience about how social media works. Okay, you see different brands posting, you also should post it. That is how the then understood there is a whole lot of analytics to it, SEO to it, and
So
like
you don't bother about anything.
okay, okay.
Nothing matters
Sure.
as long as the sole purpose you're posting a post is to be beneficial for the customer.
Customer. Right.
Understand that you're giving the post away for free.
Right.
So, but once they see the post, there should be something useful from that, and they should be willing to watch your posts. You're willing to watch my videos.
Right.
I'm not making them watch you.
Right.
So that is how your the content
Right.
which you post online should be.
Right. Because one thing for sure, there is transparency and there is honesty in what. If it's there's a problem, let's admit there's a problem. Kind of a what do you say? The message that goes out. Okay, so that's what made me stick on to this. And every video that you post, again the analytics, it pops up. I have not even pressed the bell icon. It pops up on top of my YouTube the moment I open it. Like the recent one, I had that question about how to set up a business like with a
Okay,
factory.
okay.
Because now that I'm in my hometown, setting up a factory, the land price, everything might come out to be cheaper than. But
Correct,
that is not immediate thing. That is like a later goal. Some point when you really grow in this small scale, then scale it up. No point like opening it up and
Correct,
then no
correct. I
customers.
started from my kitchen.
Yeah,
so-
yeah, you and I think I have already seen it in your video. Like, see who have